Hello, Science with Brian here, and today I just have one thing to show you. So flat earthers say that looking at the horizon you can't see a curve. Well, not by yourself anyway, but with a little bit of stretching you can. And don't say I'm cheating because I'm using Photoshop. Like, I'm going to record this entire thing so that you can't see I'm cheating. So we're gonna go to File, go to New. Now, let's just say I've already measured out this custom size, but yeah, we're gonna create. Now, this is 4 times as tall as this photo originally was. So no editing trickery going on here. And you see this? That does not look exactly flat to me. And while it was flat, now it's definitely not. You can tell that. And we're going to go ahead and get rid of that layer. And we're going to go ahead and grab another image. Sorry, my mom texted. Why is all these... No, stop it. Why are all these applications opening up all of a sudden? Okay. Let's stretch that out to fill that. And again, you can clearly see a curve of some sort. So that there would prove the globe, as you can see, because you can see the curvature. And I know there's still people who are going to deny these facts put in their face, but you know what? Whatever, it's impossible to evade. So